Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve Leetcode question number 89, that is gray code. So let's start with this problem. First of all, let's divide the problem into two halves. Is like the first half is getting the list of binary strings such that the sequence is in gray code order. So that is the first part. In the second part, we will convert that binary string to integer. So let's say list of integer is res, and we'll return it, and we will get list of string. Let's call it list only, and initial, and we'll call the function gray code binary, right? We'll call it with an input, and then what we'll do is basically we'll iterate over the list, and in res we will add we will convert each string to its decimal representation. So integer dot parse int each list to its decimal representation, and then we will basically give that list to the output. So now we have to generate a gray code sequence. So let's say we have this function where we will return list of string, and the name of the function is gray code binary, and n. We will basically recursively invoke this function, right? And in each call we will get a gray code sequence till n minus 1, and then using the gray code sequence of n minus 1 bits. So first of all we will get the gray code sequence for n minus 1 bits, and then we will do some things in that list of n minus 1 bit gray code sequence, and we will do some things in that in that list, and then we will return the n bits gray code sequence. So first of all, let's handle the base case, because since this is a recursive function, or let me first get the list. After that we'll handle the base case. So the list is gray code binary n minus 1, and we will do something with this, and at last we will return the same list in the output. Now handle the base case. If n is equal to 1, see, in this case what will happen is, so if n is equal to 1, right, so 1 bit ka gray code sequence is nothing but 0 and 1. See, if n is equal to 1, then the gray code sequence is 0 and 1, because in 0 1 only 1 bit is there is a difference of 1 bit, and so we can simply return res.add 0 and res.add 1, and we can return this. Otherwise, if let's say like I got a list of n minus 1 bit ka gray code sequence, then what I will do is key, first of all I will reverse this list. Let's say the list is 0 0. For example, let me explain it here. For let's say n is equal to 2, the list which I got is 0 0, then 0 1, then 1 1, and then 1 0. For then to get list for n is equal to 3, what I will do is I will first of all use these values only, and in the later half I will just simply reverse the ordering, right, and append in this list only. First, like, we'll reverse, so we'll basically start appending from the last index of this list. So we'll append 1 0, then 1 1, see, then 1 0, then 1 1, then 0 1, and then at last 0 0. The first n by 2 places we will append 0 at the last, and in the last n by 2 places we'll append 1 at the last. So this is the gray code sequence for n is equal to 3. So given a gray code sequence for n minus 1 bits, you can generate gray code sequence for n bits like this, right? So same thing we are going to do here. So we have a list like res, and what we have to do, let me get the index of the last element of res, and while this index is greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0, then what I'll do is I'll just add res.get idx in the same res list, right, and decrement idx, of course. So now my this part would be ready. Yeah, and now the next thing which we are going to do is, in the first half append 0 after every string, and in the last half, in the next half append 1 at the last of every string. So we are going to do that. I'll initialize my idx with 0 only, and let me just define what was the original res ka size. Let's say we call it og size. That was nothing but res dot size, and use og size here as well. Right, now while my idx is less than og size, what I'm going to do is I will get the string first. Right, and I will update that string in the list at that index, like which index, idx. At idx, what's the new string I'll get? The old string plus 0, right? Like we'll append 0 at the end. So this is the new string we'll get, and then we will obviously will increment the idx. The second loop, now it will go from like it will go till res, like the new res which we have, like with the appended values. So we'll go till the end of this list, from this index till the end of the list, and instead of 0 we'll append 1 in front of every string. Right, now my string like now my res array would be updated, and yeah, we like the code is done. So this was it, and let me just try to run this. Yeah, so both the test cases got accepted. Let me try to submit this. Yeah, so okay guys, if you have any doubt in the implementation, then you can definitely ask in the comment section. And if you like the video, just press the like button, and feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel as well for more such upcoming videos. Thank you.